visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So, I want you to know that this reading is a general reading. Pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo ang buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. And I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So, kahit mapanood niyo po ito last year pa, no, bago ko i-post or kanina lang, no? It doesn't matter. So believe in the divine timing or synchronicities. Whenever you find a video, the message is meant to find you. Let's start with the reading. The Two of Cups, the Two of Swords, and the Page of Cups. Separation right away. Separation can be physical or energetic. So para sa mga bago, ano yung physical separation, literal. The person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, no? Different planet, whatever. No? Energetic separation, pwede nakikita kayo. Pero may gap dahil hindi kayo nag-uusap. May gap dahil hindi naman, let's say, wala doon yung kahit magtitigan, no? Kumbaga, yung coldness nararamdaman. Or it can be both, no? It can be a combination of physical or energetic. One thing for sure, the Page of Cups, someone is looking the other person, searching the other person's social media account. Pwedeng naka-block na, so merong gumawa ng dummy account to actually check the other person but still can probably reach. Baka kasi naka-private, no? Let's clarify the Two of Swords with the Three of Wands and the Page of Swords. Wow. So parang may nangako dito na paninindigan kita, may nangako dito na itutuloy natin itong relationship na ito. Meron ditong nangako na in time, no, bibigay ko sa yung commitment. And then lumamig itong relationship. Parang wala namang naibigay na commitment. Parang ang halos initsapwera, tinapon, no, itong relationship ng ganun-ganun na lang. Masakit. Probably someone here is still waiting, no, na magkaroon na bumalik ka, no? Parang ganon. This could be you na nag-aantay na bumalik si person to actually fulfill the promise. Pwede rin naman ito yung si person waiting for you to actually fulfill your promise. Kung saan side kayo, ha? What I'm reading is the dynamic naman, no? The Hangman and the Six of Cups. Nakakakita tayo dito ng sobrang longing, no? Separation anxiety. With that being said, kahit wala dito yung Nine of Swords, merong sleepless nights because Six of Cups and the Hangman. These are the combinations wherein hindi kampante yung puso at isip. Kahit siguro ang daming, patayin ko ng ayubo, gumaganon eh. Kahit siguro madaming gustong gawin or kahit siguro pagod na yung katawan. I feel like meron dito pinapagod yung katawan niya para makatulog ng mahimbing. For a few numbers of you, baka umiinom nga, no? Para lang magkaroon ng mahimbing na tulog. Pero hindi eh. Putol-putol yung tulog, gumigising ng iba-ibang oras, no? Kasi parang the love is haunting them with the Eight of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups, and the Judgment. Pero parang sabi din dito, huwag na kaya akong umasa. At the back of this person, no, na binabasahan natin ngayon, parang sinasabi niya is, what if kaya mag-move forward na ako, no? Parang I'll consider no contact is the end of it. Silence is a yes. No communication is actually the ending. So, I feel like medyo talagang caught up in between. Kaya siguro mas malaki yung anxiety dahil hindi ko alam kung ano ba, mag-aano na ba ako, mag-move forward na ba. I feel like meron dito talaga mga natutulala, no? But I feel like with the Seven of Cups, clarified with the Five of Pentacles, and the Tower. Kasi parang hindi ko tanggap, meron dito na hindi ko tanggap kung paano mo ako iniwan. Hindi naman ako naging masamang tao sa'yo. No? Parang ako naiiyak. Hindi naman ako naging masamang tao. Actually, I loved you, no, more than myself. I loved you more than anyone else, no? Of all the people na pwedeng manakit sa akin, ikaw pa. You are the, parang hindi ko ine-expect na kaya tong gawin sa akin because wala naman talaga akong pinakita masama. Parang I feel like someone here requires justice. It's more than explanation what this person is needed eh. With the Eight of Swords and the Magician, it felt like meron pa rin ditong gumagawa ng mga dati nilang gawin. Nung nandiyan pa rin si person, no? Pwedeng pumupunta pa rin sa mga lugar na pinupuntahan hoping that you are going to see your person. Back there, it could be sa trabaho, it could be sa dati nyong pinapasyalan, dati nyong pinakainan. Parang laging naka-charge ang cellphone, no? Kailangan naka-loudspeaker para or full volume para pag nag-ring, hoping na i-contact ko, matatawagan ako. With the Five of, kasi yung iniwan mo ko sa ere, that's the part na hindi ko kayang tanggapin na basta ganun lang, no? With all the efforts, parang gusto kong manumbat na ayaw ko, no? Pero gusto ko lang iparating sa iyo with all the efforts, love, care, yung investment of time na binigay ko, eto lang yung kapalit. It's really unfair, no? Yeah, this is the reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron kayong mga personal na question, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, tingnan na natin ang zodiac sign. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Of course, reading nyo to. Kung di man lumabas yung sun sign nyo, yung alam yung zodiac sign, pwedeng placement ng inyong chart. No? We're talking about the Vedic sidereal chart, no? So, we have Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio. Yan lang. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.